Okay, so let's look at how to add pages to the website, because as time goes by, you're going to want to add more than what you have now, and you're going to want to take away some pages. Things change. So let's look at how to add pages, and mainly you're going to be adding pages underneath the About Us section and underneath the Ministry section. And I've created two generic pages right now just to kind of show you. Right now I have a What We Believe page and I have a Children's page. And you'll see that these pages are laid out very similar. You're going to have a title, you're going to have a body of text here, and then you're going to have sidebar buttons based on what you add. And if you look here, the only difference with children is that I added a picture in there. And I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so you're going to have a title, you're going to have a picture, body of text, and then sidebar nav. Now, what you need to know about these buttons on the side and these buttons that appear when you do drop down is that they will be auto-created. They will create automatically when you create a new page. So you don't have to worry about adding the navigation to the site. It will do it itself, okay? So let's look at how to create pages. So if you go to your control panel, all right, we go back to the two buttons I was talking about earlier, Create Pages and Edit Pages. It's pretty self-explanatory. Edit Pages is making changes to pages that already exist. So if I wanted to make a change to the What We Believe page, then I would go to Edit Pages, under About, and then it's going to list all my About pages, and I would click on What We Believe. But I'm wanting to create a page, right? So let's say I want to create an About page, and we want to create a page called Our Vision. Okay. I want to create a page and I want it to go under the About. So it'll say About Us Vision or Our Vision. Okay, so I create a page About, because that's where it's going to go. And the best way to figure that out is, where do I want the button to appear on the page? And then I have a form. Now this form is a little different than the home page, but it's simpler. All right, it's a simpler form. All right. So we said earlier that when we're looking at our pages, we're going to have a title, a body of text, and a picture if we like. Okay, this title, this big red text, is going to be pulled from this box right here called title. Alright, so we want to call this Our Vision. So what you put in the title box is what you want the page to be. It's Our Vision page. URL title underneath will auto create for you, and that is what comes into play in the actual browser URL window. And it's going to auto create it for you because it takes out the spaces and the capital letters and all that stuff. Okay. Alright, and then we come to a spot that says Top Picture. Now, you can add a picture if you want. I have one page with, one page without right now. If you look at the Ministries pages, I have a kid's picture here. Alright, I did that by adding a picture under Top Picture. This page, when it's added, will only go at the top. Now you can add other pictures on the page, but this picture will only go at the top of the page, right underneath the title. Okay? And then the body of text is where it's what all of this is right here. Now right now I just have text, okay? But using these icons up here, I can add pictures and videos and linkable items and all that stuff. So for the sake of right now, just so you can see it, I'm going to type a sentence in that says, this is Our Vision page. I'm just going to hit submit. Alright, that's done. I've hit submit. It's now official. If I refresh my page and I put my mouse over About Us, we're going to see that Our Vision is now there, because it automatically creates itself. And if we look over here to the right, we're going to see that Our Vision has been added as well. So if I click on either one of these buttons, we see a title and we see a box that says this is Our Vision page. And where is it getting it from? It's getting it from this body of text, and it's getting it from Our Vision, the title. If I wanted to add a pic, all I would need to do is go down here to Top Picture and select Add File. And that's going to bring up my file upload box, and all I have to do is click on the Choose File button, and from your hard drive, wherever that picture is, you can select the picture that you want, which I'm actually just select it and then hit Choose. I'm not going to do that right now because I don't actually have a picture for you, but I want to show you one other thing. When you have this box up, let's say you've already uploaded a picture that you want to use. You want to use the same picture on a couple different pages. If the file has ever been uploaded one time to the server, then you can click on this main upload directory, and this is going to list all the files that have been uploaded. Okay, and I've uploaded these images for different reasons. and then you can select what you want. So I already uploaded that kids picture to the ministry page. I'm just going to select that again, and then I'm going to hit submit. And then let's go over here and refresh the page. And there it is. We see our kids picture, our title, and our text. And we get that, again, just one more time, from the title, the picture, and the text in the body. Okay? So that's how you add pages. And you can do that for about and events. Don't worry, or about and media. Don't worry about events. Excuse me. You can do that for about and ministries. Don't worry about events and media yet. We'll get to those in just a little bit.